everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you the pork ribs with dahi. I'll place it on the cutting board. We're going to cut these. So we're going to cut it. So this is going to be nice pork rib side. We'll get a bowl, place right inside. So this is looking nice, and what I'm going to do, I'll finish it up, then I'll wash it with cold water. I have 3-pound pork ribs, 1 cup dahi, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chili. First we're going to marinate the pork ribs with dahi. I'll use the spices from masala dabba and we'll marinate the pork ribs. Tadka with olive oil. And let's start marinating pork ribs. Get a big mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri mirch. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon garam masala. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add dahi. Mix it well. And this is going to be our marination. We'll add pork ribs. With the help of fork, combine it well. Once all the pork ribs are nicely coated with our marination, cover with the lid and we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. Onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, green chili, finely chopped, and let's start making our delicious dahi wali pork ribs. The pork ribs with dahi. Get a pot and start gas and keep gas on medium. Add olive oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin, jeera, 1 teaspoon. Just give like 10 seconds. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Cook onion until they get transparent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. This is how they look. I'll add ginger, garlic, and green chili. All at the same time. Mix it well and cook along with onion. And keep cooking on medium gas. Tadka is nicely brown, it's fully cooked. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once the tomatoes are nicely combined with tadka, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. With the cover lid cooking for 2 minutes, mix it well. The tomatoes are nicely tender. Tadka is nicely cooked. We're not going to add any spices because all the spices are added in marination. Only thing we're going to do, we added half teaspoon garam masala in marination and we're going to add half more into tadka. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with tadka, I'll bring the pork ribs and mix it well with tadka. Once the tadka is nicely combined with the pork ribs, spread it evenly. Make sure that we scoop out all the masala. Cover with the lid on medium gas. Cook it for 15 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 15 minutes. I'll turn the fan on. Open the lid. Mix it well. We did not add any water. See all this from the heat. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3, and cover with the lid. And we're going to cook it for half an hour. Occasionally stir it so it won't get burned. With the closed lid cooking for half an hour, I'll open the lid. As you've seen, we haven't added any water. This water is all from dahi, and we're going to mix it well again. This is a good thing about the Dutch oven. You cook it on a low gas and it starts to cook really well. As you see, the meat start to pull back from the ribs, and that's a good indication. This meat takes longer to cook, and always good idea to cook it on low gas. We're not going to add any water. We're going to bring the gas to simmer. We're going to cook for half an hour. Occasionally you stir it so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking for half an hour on simmer. I'll open the lid. Meat is fully cooked, as you can see. With the slow gas, it brings the cooking to perfection. And we're going to add the last ingredient, cilantro. This is looking super delicious. We'll add some fresh coriander, which is the dhania, cilantro. Mix it. Our dish is ready. And I'm going to dish out. I will turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. And we're going to dish out. Look at these. Delicious pork ribs. Dahi wale pork ribs. Let me share with you. Dahi pork ribs are all ready. They are super tender and super juicy. Please try it and you're going to like it. You serve with the rice plow, that will be perfect. But you also can eat it with roti, chapati, pulka, naan, paratha, puris, even tortilla. So please try it and comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.